Europe's best food safety experts are joining forces to crack down on fraud. Euronews is following them in this special series called The Food Detectives. In this episode, the team committed to complete clarity in wine. It's autumn in the Douro Valley in Portugal, and there's something special about the harvest this year. These vineyards are at the heart of an effort to bring total traceability to winemaking, and it begins with measuring the production of each plant. Food detective Antonio Grassa explains why it's so important.
Vineyards are not homogeneous units, okay? There are micro variations in microclimates, in soil, even the plants are individual. So it is important for us to understand how each grapevine is actually living.
Measuring production vine by vine is new here, and to make it possible, these food detectives from the EU's Watson project have developed two devices. One is a smart sécateur, and the other is a connected bucket, both robust enough for everyday use. They allow the winemakers to record exactly where and when the grapes were picked.
O objetivo é, durante a vindima, o trabalhador, durante o processo normal, nós conseguimos medir todos os cortes que ele faz com a tesoura e sincronizar o corte com a deposição das uvas no balde, que tem uma placa que permite medir o peso e os acréscimos de peso resultantes da vindima. O balde é também ele localizado por GPS, ou seja, permite-nos dar a localização de onde o corte e a deposição aconteceu na vinha.
The motivation for such precision is clear, to shed light on exactly how the grapes develop different qualities and why.
It's really detective work because we have to look at all the leads that nature gives us. We have to understand the soil, we have to understand climate, the amount of sun, rain, winds, solar radiation that is actually what makes the plant work and produce what we want.
Once the grapes are harvested from these vines and loaded onto the tractor, they're tracked en route to the cellars. And here, the information flow continues.
The moment they come into the reception tank, they are assigned a code to that volume of grapes from which we know all the individual grapevines that contributed for that reception tank volume.
One of the key challenges is managing large amounts of information securely. So these food detectives are testing blockchain technology to record which vine's grapes went into each bottle.
Toda esta informação que é recolhida, o objetivo é que ela contribua para o conhecimento e garanta a rastreabilidade. Mas precisamos também de guardar a informação de uma forma que seja fiável e inviolável. E é aí que surge a blockchain, dando-nos esse mecanismo.
Alongside blockchain, another emerging technology is slowly making its way into winemaking. This autonomous robot knows these vines well and is being tested as a tool to cut grass, prune the plants and spray.
O robô que temos aqui é capaz de navegar nestas vinhas, que têm declives acentuados, como podem ver aqui, e navegar de uma forma segura, sem cair, e navegar totalmente autónomo e em segurança, quer para a vinha, quer para os humanos, quer para os animais.
Robots in the vines offer the chance to gather even more data about how the plants are progressing.
E se temos um robô que navega nestas vinhas autonomamente e frequentemente, nós conseguiremos dizer a história de cada uva que existe na vinha. Conseguiremos perceber em que estado de temperatura esteve, que umidade esteve exposta e que tipo de tratamentos e de fertilização levou essa uva.
The ultimate goal of this team is to produce wine that can trace its journey from the bottle all the way back to specific grapes harvested on a precise day on a particular patch of hillside. For winemakers, such traceability means a chance to better capture the character of each harvest.
We can work better at generating quality, generating identity from the earth, from the plants, from the places, and then transfer those identity and quality into the product, into the wine that the consumer will enjoy.
That's all for this episode. Next time on The Food Detectives, cracking down on counterfeit olive oil in Italy. See you then.